Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Ollama on your local machine. So first, open your web browser and in the search bar, search for ollama.com. So this is the homepage of Ollama. On top right, there's an option to download Ollama. Click on it. After that, we need to select the operating system. So if you are using Mac OS or Linux, then select the respective operating system. Currently, I'm using Windows, so I'll download for Windows now. So the download is started. So it will take around 2 GB of disk space. So it will take some time to complete. So I have already downloaded the Ollama setup file. I'll show you the next installation process. So once the file is ready, click on the Ollama setup file. So the setup will start now. So after the setup is started, then click on install. It will take some time to install the file on your local machine. This is the path the file is getting installed. Once the Ollama setup is completed, so we can check the version of the Ollama using cmd command prompt. Type Ollama version. So currently Ollama version 0.24 is installed on our local machine. After this, we can open the application which is installed, and I'll just walk through the user interface of this application. So these are the agents like we have Copilot, we have Cloud Code. We can use by running this command, just copy from here and we can run it in using terminal. So first thing we will check we will just change the location where we want to download the models. So I'll just change it to my local drive and then click. I've created a new folder ollama.model and I'll just save this because I need to download my models in a separate drive. Okay, now this is completed. Context length, I'll just expand it to around 64 to, I'll just keep it to 64k. Click on back. So this is the interface, like we can interact with the models. We can search with the models over here, like these are the cloud models we can interact with. And in order to download any other models, so we can download the available models over here, like Gemma and Qwen is available for us. So this Ollama interface is similar to the ChatGPT interface. Now we can interact directly in the form of chat options, like similar to ChatGPT. So first we need to select the model. So in order to use the cloud models, we need to uh, sign in to the Ollama account and then we can use the cloud models. So I'll just download the Gemma 4. So I have selected the Gemma 4 model. So in order to start the download, first we need to just type hi. So if the model is not present on your local machine, it will download. After that, we can use this model locally. So it will take some time, like I can see it will take around 9 GB of our disk space. So as we can see that the model is downloading, we can check if there is any existing models in command line. with the command like uh, Ollama list. So currently there are no models are installed on a machine, so it is showing as it is currently showing null. So once this model is completed, we can see an entry over here. I'll run this command again once the setup is completed. So the downloading of the model is almost complete. So currently the Gemma 4 model is now downloaded, and now we can interact with this model. But before interacting, I'll just show you like previously when we have listed the models, there were no models installed. So after installing, we can again list the models with the command Ollama list, and now you can see like Gamma 4 latest is installed on a local machine. So we can interact with command line also. Just simply type Ollama run and the model name Gamma 4. So now we can search or anything like how are you today. So as this is a it's thinking, so the Gamma 4 model has given us the output. Hello, as an I don't have feelings, but I'm operating perfectly. So our model is working perfectly locally. So as you can see, like I have turned off the Wi-Fi, so I can type anything. Okay, right. I'll just give another command. Write a simple Java code to print hello world. So it will think again and give us the output. So the model has given us the output, and it is now giving the explanation on how it works, and it also help us how to run this code. So this was the one way we can interact with our local models, but we have Ollama installed and we have the UI interface same like ChatGPT. So I'll just search for hi, how are you today, and I'll just give the same prompt. This write a Java code to print hello world. So it's following the same process, like first it will think, it will reason all the things, then it will give us the output. So let's wait. So it thought for 14.8 seconds, and here is the Java code which we can use, and we can copy it directly from here, and down below is the explanation of the code, and I think it will provide us how to run the code as well. Yeah, how to run this code. So this makes our task easy, like we are running this model locally, we are not giving any we have not purchased anything. We can use this model locally and run. So we have learned how to install models locally in our Ollama application and use it with the help of Ollama UI applications and also with the help of command line tool. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We will see in our next video. Thank you.